Okay, Frank, this is major. This is what I'm talking about. I'm finna try to make a video to show you exactly what this helicopter is doing. And I just need to know if it's normal or not. Because once I throttle it up a little bit, it stops. But once I bring the throttle back down to zero, it comes back on. So, just bear with me. It may not be the best video, but maybe you can get an idea of what I'm talking about here. Find something to set this camera on. Maybe you can see it. Okay, now listen. There's some. Okay. See, this is what it's constantly doing. Even after that musical sound that you was telling me about. Okay, I heard that, but now it's just constantly beeping. Now, if I go ahead and idle up just a little, if I try to throttle up a little bit, see, it stops. So that's what I was talking about. Is that normal? Is it supposed to do that?